Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangiri, and today I got a new video for you guys. And basically today we're going to be talking about the activation and deactivation hooks. And basically what these are, they're basically just the hooks that are responsible in WordPress in your plugins when you activate and deactivate your plugin to basically do an action or assign an option to it, right? So as you can see on activations, you can run a routine, rewrite rules, add custom database tables. Same thing over here. Remove temporary data such as cache and temporary files and directory, right? So to set up an activation hook, you can use the register activation hook, and to set up the deactivation hook, you can use the register deactivation hook, all right? And here are the references if you want to check them out on your own, all right? So they're pretty simple, right? If you go into the register deactivation hook, it's just a string, which is going to be the file name of your the plugin itself, which you just can assign the file parameter, which is we're going to be showing you guys, and the callback, just the callback function of the activation hook. All right, so let's go and make that. All right, so here's my VS Code. Let me just zoom in over here. So over here, I'm just going to create a new function, and I'm just going to call it function activate custom gallery plugin, right? And we can do something when we activate it, right? So we can first of all register the custom post type, right? So let's do that, right? So register post and then type, all right? But right now we still do not have a register post type function, so we can just create one, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna leave this commented out for now, and let's continue. All right, so register the activation hook. So register activation hook. So again, like the documentation, this is just the file callback and the callback function. So the string file and the callback function. All right, so this is gonna be file, and then the callback function, which is this one. This is the function we want to call back to be registered. So activate the custom, then gallery plugin, and let's just close this. All right, so we want to register the post type when we activate the custom gallery plugin, and we want to deactivate it when uh, we want to remove the registering of the post type when we deactivate. All right, so deactivate, and we can just basically copy this. It's exactly the same thing, but deactivate. All right, and also register the deactivation hook. It is exactly the same, and as you could see, it's also the file string and then the custom callback function. All right, so right now we want to unregister the post type and register it. We can check out the example over here on the WordPress documentation in the plugin handbook, right? But before we do that, we're just gonna talk about the register post type. So check out the next video, which is related to the activation and deactivation hooks, which is basically gonna register the post type, and when we activate it, it's gonna register the custom post type, and when we deactivate it, it's gonna delete this or unregister the custom post type. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video where we register and unregister the post types.